Hi everyone, I am Natasha, head of the mathematics department at Eurasian Schools International Education System. Students have enough time to enjoy learning here, challenging environment in which all our students can achieve their potentials. Dull students are given credit hours, and great care is taken in the selection of our teachers.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sayyid Afzal Shah, head of English department, Eurasian Schools. Do you want your kids to learn English? Yes? Well, English language support is available on our study programs at no extra cost. We offer the students plenty of opportunities to get involved.